Impact Report, anticipated 35% competitive advantage in defense maritime security and robotics industries by Q2 2025. Overview. As we approach the second quarter of 2025, analysts predict a significant transformation within the defense maritime security and robotics industries, leading to an anticipated competitive advantage of approximately 35%. This advantage emerges from advancements in artificial intelligence (AI), the adoption of autonomous systems, enhanced cybersecurity measures, and the strategic re-evaluation of naval warfare technology. This report provides a comprehensive overview of these developments and their global implications. Key trends and predictions. 1. AI-powered maintenance repair and overhaul (MRO). The defense sector is grappling with a critical skills shortage, particularly in maintenance roles. The U.S. Air Force, for instance, faces a deficit of 1,800 maintenance personnel. To address this, AI is being integrated to optimize MRO processes. AI applications will enhance scheduling, task assignment, and technician utilization, resulting in reduced maintenance time and improved readiness of military assets. AI's role extends beyond mere scheduling. It will also provide technicians with specialized support through mobile devices, enabling them to access complex technical documentation, troubleshoot more effectively, and ultimately enhance operational efficiency. 2. Industry 5.0 and human-machine collaboration. The defense manufacturing sector is beginning to embrace Industry 5.0 principles, which emphasize the collaboration between human workers and advanced technologies. This shift is expected to enhance training processes through extended reality XR applications, allowing workers to simulate rare scenarios and improve their skills efficiently. Innovations such as 3D modeling of naval vessels will aid technicians in navigating complex systems, effectively transforming the maintenance experience and enabling more intuitive interactions with military assets. 3. Asymmetric threats and naval fleet transformation. The rise of uncrewed systems and drones has fundamentally altered naval warfare dynamics. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine highlights how smaller, remotely operated drones can incapacitate larger naval vessels. This has prompted a reconsideration of fleet compositions, with a shift toward smaller autonomous ships and UAV carriers. The U.S. Department of Defense's Replicator initiative exemplifies this trend, focusing on mass deployment of uncrewed systems that are cost-effective and can be rapidly updated. The future of naval warfare will likely favor agility and adaptability over traditional capital ships. 4. Cybersecurity enhancements. As defense operations become increasingly digitized, cybersecurity has emerged as a critical concern. The Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification (CMMC) is set to enforce stricter compliance across the defense industrial base by mid-2025. Organizations that fail to meet these standards risk losing vital contracts. Enhanced cybersecurity measures will protect sensitive information and ensure that defense contractors are equipped to handle advanced persistent threats, safeguarding technological advantages on the battlefield. Timeline of key events. 2024, the CMMC final rule is announced, paving the way for compliance requirements in the defense industry. Q1 2025, a significant reliance on AI is predicted to mitigate MRO workforce shortages. Q2 2025, the anticipated implementation of CMMC will enhance cybersecurity measures within defense contracts. Mid-2025, a competitive advantage of 35% in the defense and maritime sectors is expected as a result of these advancements. Common points and differences across sources. A consensus has emerged among analysts regarding the pivotal role of AI and automation in transforming defense operations. The emphasis on enhancing cybersecurity measures and adapting naval strategies to counter asymmetric threats is widely recognized. However, there are variations in focus, with some sources prioritizing technological advancements in manufacturing and maintenance, while others concentrate on operational shifts in warfare tactics. Conclusion. The trajectory of the defense industry leading into 2025 is characterized by a convergence of technological advancements, operational strategy reconfigurations, and heightened cybersecurity awareness. The integration of AI autonomous systems and Industry 5.0 principles is set to optimize military capabilities and enhance operational readiness. As defense organizations embrace these innovations, they are poised to maintain a strategic edge in a rapidly evolving global landscape. In summary, the anticipated competitive advantage of 35% in defense maritime security and robotics by Q2 2025 represents not just a numerical forecast but a reflection of the transformative trends reshaping the industry with profound implications for military strategy and operational effectiveness. The anticipated 35% competitive advantage in the defense maritime security and robotics industries by Q2 2025 reflects a profound shift in naval warfare technology driven by several counterintuitive developments. These changes challenge traditional assumptions about naval capabilities, workforce dynamics, and cybersecurity. Here are some of the most striking counterintuitive insights. 1. AI as a workforce solution. While there is a prevailing belief that advanced technologies like AI will replace human jobs in the defense sector, particularly in maintenance roles, AI is actually being positioned as a solution to the workforce shortage. The U.S. Air Force's shortage of 1,800 maintenance personnel illustrates that AI is not replacing technicians but rather augmenting their capabilities. By optimizing maintenance scheduling and task management, AI enables existing personnel to work more effectively and efficiently. This counters the narrative that automation solely leads to job losses. Instead, it highlights how technology can enhance human productivity. 2. Smaller autonomous vessels over traditional ships. The conventional wisdom in naval warfare has long favored large, heavily armed ships as the backbone of a navy. However, the effectiveness of smaller uncrewed systems in conflicts such as the Ukraine war shows a paradigm shift. Smaller remotely operated drones successfully targeted larger vessels, prompting defense analysts to reconsider the composition of naval fleets. This change suggests that in the future, size and traditional firepower may become less important compared to agility and technological integration, marking a significant departure from historical naval doctrines. 3. Human-machine collaboration in manufacturing. The trend toward Industry 5.0 emphasizes human-machine collaboration, which may seem counterintuitive in a world increasingly focused on automation and robotics. Rather than fully automating manufacturing processes, the integration of technologies like extended reality (XR) is being used to enhance human capabilities. This suggests that the future of manufacturing and defense is not about replacing humans with machines but rather about creating a symbiotic relationship where technology assists and empowers human workers, enhancing efficiency and training. 4. Cybersecurity as a competitive differentiator. While many sectors view compliance and cybersecurity as burdensome regulatory requirements in the defense industry, particularly with the upcoming implementation of the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification (CMMC), organizations are beginning to see cybersecurity as a strategic advantage. Firms that prioritize cybersecurity can become more competitive by securing contracts that require compliance, thus turning a perceived burden into a market differentiator. This shift implies that robust cybersecurity frameworks could become as critical to success in defense as technological innovation itself. 5. Digital transformation versus traditional defense practices. There is an assumption that digital transformation in defense leads to increased complexity and operational challenges. However, the integration of digital tools and AI is streamlining traditional practices. For instance, AI's ability to analyze maintenance needs and optimize technician assignments challenges the traditional view that increases in technology usage lead to slower, more cumbersome processes. Instead, the data-driven approach offers a more agile and responsive operational model. 6. Reevaluation of risk and investment. The notion that larger investments in traditional military assets guarantee superiority is being challenged. As asymmetric threats from smaller uncrewed systems demonstrate effectiveness, defense organizations may find that reallocating resources towards less expensive innovative technologies can yield greater returns on investment. This could lead to a reconfiguration of defense budgets that prioritize agility and innovation over sheer size and traditional might. 7. Emerging technologies accelerating change. The rapid adoption of emerging technologies including AI, XR, and autonomous systems is often seen as a gradual evolution. However, the current environment suggests an accelerated pace of change in defense practices. Organizations that fail to adapt quickly may find themselves at a disadvantage, emphasizing the need for agility in both strategic planning and operational execution. This challenges the idea that defense modernization is a slow, bureaucratic process. Instead, it is rapidly becoming a race for technological supremacy. 8. Interconnectivity of global defense strategies. The alignment of cybersecurity standards among the Five Eyes nations illustrates a counterintuitive trend where national defense strategies are becoming increasingly interconnected. As nations adopt similar frameworks like CMMC, it suggests that competitive advantages will not only come from technological advancements but also from collaborative compliance efforts. This interconnectedness challenges the traditional notion of nationalistic defense strategies as isolated endeavors. In conclusion, the anticipated competitive advantage in defense, maritime security, and robotics by Q2 2025 is being shaped by several counterintuitive trends that challenge established paradigms. These insights highlight the importance of adaptability, collaboration, and the strategic integration of technology in reshaping the future of naval warfare and defense operations. Embracing these changes will be crucial for organizations aiming to maintain a competitive edge in an increasingly complex global landscape. The report, highlighting the anticipated 35% competitive advantage in the defense, maritime security, and robotics industries by Q2 2025, reveals several nuanced trends and predictions that, while potentially overlooked, are profoundly significant for stakeholders in these sectors. AI-powered maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO). One of the most critical aspects of the report is the mention of AI integration in MRO processes. The defense sector is struggling with a significant skills shortage, particularly in maintenance roles, with the U.S. Air Force reportedly short by 1,800 personnel. The integration of AI into MRO is not merely a technological upgrade but a necessary evolution to sustain operational readiness. The ability of AI to optimize scheduling and task assignments could be transformative. The significance here lies in the dual impact. Not only does it address the workforce gap, but it also enhances overall efficiency and reduces downtime. Why it's significant? The implications of AI in MRO extend beyond immediate cost savings or efficiency gains. This trend could redefine workforce dynamics in defense, shifting the reliance from human capital to intelligence systems. As defense organizations increasingly adopt AI technologies, they may also need to invest in upskilling their remaining workforce to work alongside these systems, thus creating a new paradigm in defense operations. Human-machine collaboration and Industry 5.0. The report discusses the concept of Industry 5.0, which emphasizes human-centric approaches to manufacturing. The advent of advanced technologies like extended reality (XR) is expected to revolutionize how technicians train and interact with complex systems. The idea of a meta-operator who uses XR for enhanced training and real-time problem-solving is a profound shift in how military personnel may operate in the future. Why it's significant? This trend suggests a future where human intuition and experience are harmonized with machine precision. By fostering a collaborative environment, organizations can enhance decision-making processes and operational effectiveness. The ability to simulate real-world scenarios for training purposes can drastically reduce the time needed for technicians to become proficient, which is crucial in high-stakes environments like defense. Asymmetric threats and fleet transformation. The rise of uncrewed systems and drones is reshaping naval warfare strategies, as underscored by the conflict in Ukraine. The report notes that smaller, Autonomous vessels are gaining prominence over traditional large ships. This shift may redefine naval fleet compositions and operational tactics. Why it's significant? The emphasis on smaller uncrewed systems indicates a strategic pivot in naval warfare favoring agility and cost-effectiveness over sheer size and firepower. As nations reassess their naval strategies, this could lead to a substantial decrease in the number of large vessels influencing global naval power balances. Additionally, it may prompt a re-evaluation of defense budgets and resource allocation as countries seek to adapt to this new paradigm. Cybersecurity enhancements. The report highlights the impending implementation of the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification (CMMC) in mid-2025, which will enforce stricter compliance across the defense industrial base. The increasing digitization of defense operations makes robust cybersecurity measures paramount. Why it's significant? Cybersecurity is often viewed as a technical requirement. Yet the CMMC's implications extend far beyond compliance. Organizations that fail to meet these standards could lose crucial contracts, which emphasizes the need for proactive cybersecurity strategies. Moreover, this trend points to a broader cultural shift within the defense sector where cybersecurity is becoming integral to operational strategy rather than an afterthought. Common points and differences. While there is a consensus among analysts regarding the role of AI and automation, the report notes variations in emphasis on technological advancements versus operational shifts. Some sources may prioritize the impact of technology in manufacturing, while others focus on tactical changes in warfare. Why it's significant? This divergence highlights the multifaceted nature of the defense landscape. Stakeholders must recognize that technological advancements do not operate in isolation, they interact with and influence operational strategies. A holistic understanding of these dynamics is crucial for informed decision-making in defense investments and strategy formulation. Timeline of key events. The timeline provided in the report outlines crucial moments leading to the anticipated competitive advantage, including the introduction of CMMC and the expected reliance on AI for MRO. Why it's significant? Understanding these timelines allows stakeholders to anticipate and prepare for upcoming changes in the industry. It emphasizes the importance of strategic foresight in defense planning, as organizations that proactively adapt to these shifts stand to gain a significant competitive edge. Conclusion. The anticipated competitive advantage of 35% in the defense, maritime security, and robotics sectors by Q2 2025 is not merely a statistic, it represents a watershed moment for the industry. Key trends like AI integration, Industry 5.0 principles, asymmetric threats, and cybersecurity enhancements underscore a transformative era in defense operations. Recognizing the significance of these developments, particularly in human-machine collaboration, fleet composition, and cybersecurity compliance, will be essential for stakeholders aiming to navigate the complexities of modern naval warfare technology. As the industry evolves, organizations that embrace these changes will not only optimize their operations but will also position themselves strategically within the global defense landscape. 1. AI-powered maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO). The anticipated integration of AI into MRO processes represents a pivotal shift in addressing the significant skills gap in the defense sector. With a notable shortage of maintenance personnel, especially in the U.S. Air Force, AI technologies are expected to optimize scheduling, task assignments, and technician utilization. This not only improves operational efficiency but also enhances aircraft readiness, crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in defense capabilities. 2. Asymmetric threats and naval fleet transformation. The changing nature of naval warfare, exemplified by the use of uncrewed systems and drones, is leading to a transformative re-evaluation of fleet compositions. The success of smaller, remotely operated drones in conflicts such as the Ukraine crisis illustrates the effectiveness of these systems against larger naval vessels. Consequently, future naval designs are likely to prioritize smaller autonomous vessels, shifting away from traditional large ships. This trend poses significant implications for defense strategies and maritime security. 3. Cybersecurity enhancements. The impending implementation of the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification (CMMC) underscores the critical importance of cybersecurity in the defense sector. With increasing digitization of defense operations, compliance with robust cybersecurity frameworks is essential to protect sensitive information and maintain competitive advantages. Organizations failing to meet these standards risk losing contracts, highlighting the urgent need for enhanced cybersecurity measures across the defense industrial base. For Industry 5.0 and human-machine collaboration, the adoption of Industry 5.0 principles which emphasize human-machine collaboration is poised to revolutionize defense manufacturing. The integration of advanced technologies such as extended reality (XR) will enhance training and operational efficiency, allowing technicians to interact more intuitively with complex systems. This human-centric approach not only improves workforce capabilities but also facilitates better maintenance and operational outcomes, aligning with the overall trend toward optimizing defense operations. These 4 points encapsulate the most valuable insights for in-depth analysis and discussion regarding the anticipated competitive advantage in the defense, maritime security, and robotics industries by Q2 2025. Each point highlights critical trends and their implications for future defense strategies, operational efficiencies, and technological advancements. 1. The Battle of Jutland 1916. This naval battle during World War I exemplified the complexities of naval warfare and the evolution of military strategy in response to technological advancements. The use of dreadnought battleships and the introduction of naval aviation began to shape future engagements. The battle highlighted the importance of intelligence and reconnaissance, as both the British and German fleets relied heavily on information to strategize their movements and attacks. The lessons learned from Jutland influenced naval tactics and ship design in subsequent conflicts, showcasing how technological developments can shift the competitive advantage in maritime security. 2. The Cold War and the arms race. The Cold War period saw a significant transformation in defense strategies, particularly with the introduction of nuclear submarines and advanced missile technology. The US and Soviet Union competed intensely in developing superior naval capabilities, which included the use of submarines equipped with ballistic missiles. This technological arms race forced both superpowers to rethink their naval strategies, prioritizing stealth speed and automation. The emphasis on developing uncrewed systems began during this time as both sides recognized the asymmetric threats posed by emerging technologies. The Cold War illustrates how technological advancements can create a competitive advantage in defense, influencing global power dynamics. 3. The Gulf War 1990 to 1991. The Gulf War marked a significant shift in military operations, incorporating advanced technology and joint operations between naval and air forces. The U.S. military's use of precision-guided munitions and the integration of satellite technology for navigation and communication demonstrated the importance of technological superiority in achieving military objectives. The successful deployment of naval assets, including aircraft carriers and destroyers, in the conflict showcased the strategic advantage of having a technologically advanced naval force. This war underscored the necessity for modernizing naval capabilities and adapting to new forms of warfare, which aligns with the anticipated transformations in the defense sector described for 2025. Future outlook: predictions for defense, maritime security, and robotics industries by Q2 2025. As we approach Q2 2025, the defense, maritime security, and robotics sectors are on the brink of a transformative shift, with analysts predicting a competitive advantage of approximately 35%. This anticipated evolution is driven by key technological advancements and strategic adaptations that will redefine naval warfare and broader defense operations. Here are the crucial predictions shaping the future landscape of these industries. 1. AI-powered maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO). The defense sector is grappling with a significant skills shortage in maintenance roles. By 2025, it is expected that AI technologies will be widely adopted to optimize MRO processes. This includes automation in scheduling, task assignment, and technician support. For example, AI will help address the shortage of personnel, such as the reported deficit of 1,800 maintenance staff in the U.S. Air Force, by enhancing productivity and efficiency. AI-driven systems will take on complex data analysis to ensure that maintenance operations are performed in the most efficient order, thereby reducing aircraft downtime and improving readiness. 2. Human-machine collaboration in Industry 5.0. The principles of Industry 5.0, which prioritize human-machine collaboration, will increasingly come to the forefront in 2025. With advanced technologies like extended reality XR integrated into training and manufacturing processes, workers will be better equipped to interface with complex systems. This will lead to enhanced training programs that simulate rare scenarios, thus accelerating the skill development of personnel. Additionally, the creation of 3D models of naval vessels will facilitate maintenance tasks, allowing technicians to visualize and navigate systems intuitively. 3. Transformation of naval fleets amid asymmetric threats. The rise of uncrewed systems and drones will significantly impact naval warfare strategies. The conflict in Ukraine has demonstrated the efficacy of smaller, remotely operated drones in disabling larger vessels, prompting a re-evaluation of traditional fleet compositions. By 2025, naval forces are expected to increasingly favor smaller autonomous vessels over conventional large ships. This shift is exemplified by the U.S. Department of Defense's Replicator initiative, which aims to integrate mass uncrewed systems into naval operations, providing a more cost-effective and flexible approach to naval warfare. 4. Enhanced cybersecurity measures. As digitalization becomes more prevalent in defense operations, cybersecurity will take center stage. The introduction of the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification (CMMC) by mid-2025 will impose strict compliance requirements across the defense industrial base. Organizations that fail to meet these standards risk losing critical contracts, emphasizing the urgent need for robust cybersecurity frameworks. This regulatory landscape will push defense manufacturers to prioritize cybersecurity, ensuring that sensitive data and operational integrity are safeguarded against evolving threats. 5. Global implications and strategic shifts. The convergence of these trends will have profound global implications for defense strategies and international relations. Countries that effectively integrate AI, autonomous systems, and enhanced cybersecurity into their naval capabilities will gain a strategic edge in maritime security. This competitive advantage will likely lead to shifts in alliances and power dynamics as nations adapt to the new realities of naval warfare. Furthermore, emerging threats will necessitate collaborative approaches to security, prompting nations to share technological advancements and strategies in defense. 6. Investment in research and development. In light of these anticipated changes, it is expected that there will be increased investment in research and development across the defense sector. Governments and private entities will allocate resources to develop next-generation technologies that enhance operational capabilities. This investment will not only focus on hardware but also on software solutions that improve data analytics, operational efficiency, and system interoperability. 7. Integration of robotics in defense operations. By 2025, the integration of robotics into defense operations will be more pronounced. Autonomous drones, robotic maintenance systems, and AI-driven decision-making tools will become standard components of military strategies. This trend will enhance mission success rates by enabling rapid data-driven responses to dynamic threats. The ongoing development of robotic systems will also shift the nature of military engagements, reducing reliance on human personnel in high-risk scenarios. Conclusion. The defense, maritime security, and robotics industries are poised for significant transformation by Q2 2025, driven by advancements in AI, autonomous systems, and cybersecurity. The anticipated 35% competitive advantage underscores the urgency for nations to adapt to these changes and embrace innovative technologies. As the landscape of naval warfare evolves, collaboration, investment in R&D, and a focus on human-machine synergy will be essential for maintaining strategic superiority in an increasingly complex global environment. The coming years will not only redefine military capabilities but also reshape international defense dynamics as nations respond to emerging threats and opportunities.